Concerned? You're concerned?
No.
What are you worried about?
We save
You're worried about something?
water.
You save water?
Yes.
What are you saving it for? Are you saving it for a rainy day?
The world.
Well, probably not a rainy day, right? No, that wouldn't make any sense. No.
No.
I'm just kidding. You conserve water. I understand. It's hot. You want to save energy and water, of course.
Yes. Yeah.
Is that why you came here today? To conserve water?
Yes.
All day. Did you really?
Yes.
You didn't come here to see me?
No, they brought me to the research shop.
Actually,
Really?
we kind of did.
Oh, okay, good. Good answer.
Heard you were pretty awesome.
Oh, well, now you're just making me blush. Even though you can't see it, though. Because I have black skin. You can't really blush. No, not so much. I know, they're pretty nice, right?
Yeah.
That's what happens when you eat a lot of carrots, and apples, and grass and hay. It's delicious.
Yeah.
Where's everybody from? Are you all part of the same family?
Texas.
You're all brothers and sisters.
Yes.
You're all brothers and sisters. Oh, there you go. You're from Texas?
Yeah.
Okay, you're from Texas? Oh, so this weather feels pretty similar then.
No. It's humid
No?
here.
Oh, it's humid here? Okay. Well, there's a lot of water. You know, conserving
Henry, move.
water, all that stuff.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, exactly, pretty much. Well, you guys are here to conserve. I'm sure you're here to see an animal too. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now, besides me, let's see. Why don't we start with the girl in the blue sunglasses? She's got a map in her hand here. She's folding it. There you go. That's right. That's right. So, Sweetheart, I want to hear your favorite animal.
The turtle.
What you want to see it? A turtle? Okay. Do you like water turtles?
Yeah.
Or land turtles?
Yes.
Water turtles. So sea turtles.
Yes.
Water turtles. That's right. You guys are serving water
Yes.
in your restaurant, and you have sea turtles swimming there too. Okay. I'm getting really confused. Remember, guys, I'm only 12. I'm a zebra. I'm only 12. Okay. What about to the left of you with the other glasses?
You.
That's right.
Peace.
Peace sign. How you doing?
Pandas.
Pandas. Okay. I like pandas. Do you know why I like pandas?
Why?
2 reasons. Number 1,
They're black and
they don't
white.
eat meat. Yeah. But also, they're black and white striped. Just like me.
No, they're not.
Well, they have black and white.
Yeah.
And they have black and white. There you go. Well, guys, I want to ask you, why do I have black stripes?
Camouflage.
For camouflage? Very good.
Style.
Exactly. Maybe a little bit of style, too. Maybe perhaps a little bit of style. Well, mostly for camouflage. Here, let me show you a little picture of me and my mom. Okay. Hopefully you guys can spot us. We're pretty hard to see. Here we go. Let me grab over here. All right. Actually, maybe she's not so hard to see, but there I am when I was just a little baby. Aren't I cute?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty cute. Pretty cute. And when I was a baby, my stripes, believe it or not, they weren't all black. They were not all black.
That's crazy.
They were brown first. They started out brown, and a little later, they turned to black.
Cool.
So if you want to see what the brown kind of looks like, you can see my baby brother. His name is Zaid. His name is Zaid, and you can see him on the Africa Tramp Tour. And he's about a month old, and oh so cute. Yeah. Yeah, aw is the correct answer. Very good. Very good. Well, what does everybody have to see next?
The tram.
The tram. We're waiting for
The tram. Oh, well, perfect. Make sure you guys look out for me, okay? You'll see me and my family and my little baby brother. I'll be the one talking into the webcam, and you'll see me.
Before we go, will you say Aqua Squad rocks?
All right, everybody, on the count of 3, we're gonna say Aqua Squad rocks. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Aqua Squad rocks!
Awesome.
Woo! All right, have a good day, guys. Make sure you serve a